welcome to my channel. I'm a 5th year medical student and I love taking notes on my computer, especially typing because that's fastest for me. Recently I came across a feature on Microsoft Word that was completely new to me and I think it's really helpful, so I decided to make a very quick tutorial to show you how to do it. So what you can see here on the side is something called the navigation bar. It's a sidebar that you can find from the window setting. I'll show you where that is. And it essentially allows you to jump back and forth between these topics. This is really useful if you're writing a long essay or something that has so many pages and headings and subheadings that it's really difficult to find where you're working on next. I'm using it for my Step 2 CK notes. As you can see, I've divided it into different topics by specialty and subspecialty, and you can have main headings, subheadings, further children, and so on. So let me just pull up a new document and show you how this is done. I'm not sure if you've ever used the headings that you can find right there in the toolbar. A lot of people don't really know what it's for, but this is it. This is what that's for. So this is different than a table of contents, which it can also be made by these headings, and maybe if you're interested I can do a quick video on that. But this doesn't make a table of contents per se, it just makes this navigation toolbar that can be later made into a table of contents, but since I don't have a need for it, I'm not going to use it for that. So as you can see, you type your headings, your subheadings, the body of your text, and then you select each one and make it the heading number that you want it to be. So the main headings are 1, the subheadings are 2, the ones under that are 3, and so on. So you type what you need and then you select and you make your heading. And what's really cool is that when you go to the view sidebar navigation, it pops right up and you can see there on the side that now, I mean this is a pretty small document, but if it were a bigger document and I clicked on one of that, it would jump to it. Once this is done, all of your headings can be edited together. So what I mean by that is if I wanted to make all of my main headings underlined, all I would have to do is right click on heading 1, click select all and modify them, or just modify the setting itself. And this is great because it saves you so much time for formatting and you don't really have to keep individually changing each time you have a new header, but rather you can edit them as a batch. So that's about the gist of it. I really hope it was helpful. I found it super helpful and I've gotten a lot of questions on Instagram. So give it a go and let me know if you have any questions, and if you found this useful, I'd love to hear what other videos you'd like for me to make. I'm working on a ton, but it takes me so long to actually go through and edit it that I'm really behind on actually bringing my video ideas to fruition. But I'd love to hear what else you guys would like to see, and if you're interested in seeing more, then definitely subscribe, and I hope to get more videos out for you guys. That's it for today.